yesterday. I probably made you get trouble breathing, so be careful. And this package has how many soap in here? 20 bar. All right, here 20 bar, and this can keep the smell very up to 12 hours. And the total weight is 2.1 kilograms. And each bar is 3.7 ounces, or is 104.8 grams. The total network is 74 ounces and 4.6 pounds. I bought a pack like this. The commercial airplane, because I'm recording the video. I'm sitting outside at the patio, so you can hear the airplane sound. It's very loud. It's not that bad. Sometimes it's worse than that. They continuously like. Just never mind. Forgot one. Here, one of them. Does it smell good? It's you can see this is the original Irish Springs, and this weight, the neck weight is 3.7 ounces, or 104.8 grams. Deodorant soap. And it's the original. The last time I think I showed you the one is with aloe. That's the smell good too. That's one. I think it's the soap. It kind of is a smooth soap. Probably it's been a long time, but I remember it's kind of softer than the original one. I think so. But anyway, let me open one for you. Okay, let's open this here. I open and then see. Let's see one. This is green. Outside, it's green like the same color like this, and this is the color is green. Very green, probably because the light, the natural light, the sun, it's meant probably you see the color is not the light, it's green. And really like the pumpkin leaves. And let's show you. So it's 12 bar, and up here 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, smell probably made you get hard for the breathing. Here, this is 10 of them. Let me show you more detail on each box. Each box say here, Irish Spring original, feel clean and fresh. Great. Help keep your feeling clean and fresh, and clean the shop. No, we don't need to know this. Let's this. Oh, it's made in Mexico now. I didn't pay attention the last time where they made, but probably last time they didn't print where they made, but now they have to print where they made the soaps. Most of the thing now I see they have to stamp where made it. That's okay. And that's very much all. That's all here. thank you for watching my video. See you next video. You know, when I have something like I have something unboxed, I will record it, or I have some cooking or making something, I will record it, because it's hard for me to tell you what I'm going to do next, because most of the time I'm going to do the video with just okay. So okay. This shop probably you can use like for hand wash, I think a month, for bath probably 2 weeks. Okay. Once again, thank you. Bye bye.